Hello, x plus y equal to 10 and xy equals to 50. How do we solve for x and y? First, let us call this guy equation 1 and this equation 2. From equation 1, x is equal to 10 minus y. What we have to do next now is to replace this particular x with 10 minus y. So from here, we are going to have 10 minus y times y equal to 50. 10 times y, that is 10y, minus y times y, that is y square, equal to 50. This implies that by rearranging this equation, we have y square minus 10y plus 50 equal to 0. This quadratic equation, we can solve it using quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula says y is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. From this equation, our a happens to be equals to 1 and b is equals to negative 10 and c is equal to 50. So y is equal to minus, what is b? Our b is minus 10 plus or minus square root of b square, that will be negative 10 all squared minus 4 times, what is a? A is 1 times, what is c? C is 50 divided by 2 times a is 1. Let's continue. Y is equal to minus times minus 10, that is 10, plus or minus square root of minus 10 all squared, that is 100, minus 4 times 1 times 50 is 200. Everything divided by 2 times 1, that is 2. So y is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 200, that is minus 100 divided by 2. So y is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of minus 100 could be written as square root of 100 times square root of negative 1 divided by 2. So we have y to be equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 is simply 10. Don't forget, from the complex number, square root of minus 1 is the same thing as I. So this guy becomes I divided by 2. Let's proceed further. Y is equal to, we can rewrite this guy as 10 divided by 2 plus or minus 10i divided by 2. Y is equal to 10 divided by 2, that is 5, plus or minus 10 divided by 2, so we have 5i. This implies that y is equals to 5 plus 5i, or y is equals to 5 minus 5i. It is obvious that we have two values for y. Let us call this y1 and this y2. Now, since x is equals to 10 minus y, let me show you where we got this equation from. It is actually from this line. Let's proceed further. What we have to do next is to consider each value of y. Consider this guy first. When y is equal to 5 plus 5i, what will now be the value of x? Let's plug it here. So x is equal to 10 minus 5 plus 5i. X is equal to 10 minus times 5, that is minus 5, minus times 5i, that is minus 5i. It is obvious that x is equal to 10 minus 5, that is 5 minus 5i. Let's call this guy x1, and don't forget, this is just our y1. This means that the first solution, x1 comma y1, is equal to what? X1 is 5 minus 5i, comma y1 is 5 plus 5i, 5 plus 5i. This is the first solution that we have for this algebra problem. Now, let us consider y2. Let's manage this side. We just have to plug in this value of y here. So when y is equals to 5 minus 5i, this equation now becomes x equal to 10 minus 5 minus 5i. X equal to 10 minus times 5, that is minus 5, minus times minus, that is plus 5i. X is equal to 10 minus 5, that is 5, plus 5i. Let's call this x2 and this guy y2. This means that the second solution for this algebra problem is x2 comma y2 equal to x2 is 5 plus 5i, 5 plus 5i, comma, and y2 is 5 minus 5i, 5 minus 5i. These are the required solution for this algebra problem. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Watch the next video up here.